Hello student, welcome to next practical of programming in C. First we see the practical 7 using switch statement. Okay, so in this practical we see the what is switch statement. So first of all, switch is also one decision making statement in C programming. Okay, in this practical we see two programs. Write a program to print day of week by taking number from 1 to 7. Okay, and second, print the student grade by accepting the percentage. Okay, so in this video we see the first program, and in next video we see the second program. Okay, so simple meaning of first program is, if I enter any value from 1 to 7, that time it print the respective day of that week. Okay, so if I just example, I enter 1, that time it display Sunday. I enter 2, that time it display Monday. Okay, according to that, up to 7 it display the day. Okay, and if the user enter any other value than 1 to 7, then it display invalid input. Okay, so for that we use the switch statement. Practical significance is student will be able to understand use of switch case over if-else statement and will solve the given problem using switch statement. Okay, then relevant program outcome, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication and lifelong learning. So this practical cover the all program outcomes. Next, write algorithm, draw flowchart, develop C program. Okay, debug the program and execute the C program. So let we see the program. Before program, first we see the syntax of switch statement. Okay, it is very important how we can declare switch statement in program. Okay, so switch is the keyword in small letter. Then in bracket we pass the value. Okay, either you can pass here variable and or expression. Okay, so according to variable value, the value passed in according to value of the variable, it execute the case present which are defined by the programmer. Okay, second we define the case. Remember one thing, the value of variable and the case value is must have the same data type. अगर वेरिएबल वैल्यू नंबर में है तो वैल्यू भी नंबर में चाहिए. वेरिएबल का वैल्यू कैरेक्टर में है, देन वैल्यू ऑल्सो इन कैरेक्टर. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. देन here in bracket we define the various case. Case is also one keyword in C, space and then define the case value, जो भी आपका case value रहेगा. Okay, then if the variable is equal to case value, then it execute the statements. Okay, अगर variable का value 1 है तो it execute statement. Okay, then after every case we define the break statement to stop the execution in that case. Okay, similarly we define the number of case 1, value 1, value 2, value 3. Okay, we can define number of case in switch statement. Okay, then at last we define the default. Why? Because if the user enter invalid input, okay, that time this default case is executed. Okay, and we write some message like please enter proper input in the default statement, and then we use the break statement. So this is syntax of switch statement. Many time in examination syntax is asked for 2 marks. Okay, let's see the program. So this is program print the day by taking number from 1 to 7. Okay, first two are the header files. Then we define main function void main. Inside main function we create one variable num. Okay, then we display one message, enter day a number between 1 to 7. Okay, by using printf we display this message on screen. After this execution of this instruction, user enter some value. Okay, that value we store in the num variable. Okay, so for that we use the scanf function %d. Why? Because num is the integer type. Okay, then here we use the switch statement. In switch statement we pass the variable num. Okay, number no. Okay, then here I define the 7 case. Case 1, here is first case value is 1. Okay, if the num is equal to 1, that time it execute Sunday. Okay, if the num value is equal to 2, then it display Monday. Okay, so case value is equate with your वेरिएबल और केस वैल्यू वो चेक करेगा, वैल्यू अगर इक्वल है तो वो स्टेटमेंट वो एग्जीक्यूट कर देगा कंपाइलर. Okay, similarly we define the seventh case 7 print Saturday. Okay, so after that we define default statement. Okay, if the user enter another value from 1 to 7, okay, अगर यूजर ने दूसरा ही वैल्यू एंटर कर दिया, दैट टाइम क्या करेगा, स्विच स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट द डिफॉल्ट केस. ओके, डिफॉल्ट केस में it simple print one message, please enter proper input. Okay, then we use break statement. This is also very important. After every declaration of case we use the break statement. Okay, then at here switch statement close, then get ch function to hold the output screen and program is closed. Okay, so here we use simple switch statement, and remember this, in switch statement only single case is executed, either first, either second, either third. Okay, कोई भी एक ही केस एग्जीक्यूट होगा. Okay, it is depend on value of the variable. So let's see the execution of this program. Type the program in Turbo C. I already typed this program. First we compile the program, Control F9, then to run the program, sorry, Alt F9 to compile and Control F9 to run. Okay, so here we not use the CLR SCR function, so for hence the output screen is not clear. Okay, so let's see, I enter 4, that time it display Wednesday. Okay, here we use the CLR SCR function, CLR SCR. Okay, so if we use CLR SCR function, then it clear the output screen. Control F9. Okay, here output screen is clear. Okay, here I enter 10, so 10 is the invalid value, so it display print enter proper input. So this is simple program to execute the switch case in C programming. Okay, in next practical we see in next video we see the second program, print a student grade by accepting the percentage of student. Okay, so thank you.